Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hummus spicy. We'll explore various methods to infuse your homemade hummus with a delightful kick, ensuring every bite is bursting with flavor and heat. From fresh ingredients to pantry staples, you'll learn simple techniques to customize the spice level to your preference. Get ready to transform your classic hummus into an exciting, fiery dip that will impress everyone with its vibrant taste and warmth. One of the most straightforward ways to add heat is by incorporating chili peppers. Fresh options, like a finely minced jalapeno or serrano, provide a bright, immediate spice. You might use 1/2 to 1 whole pepper, depending on its size and your heat tolerance. For a more even, sustained warmth, consider dried spices such as cayenne pepper or red pepper flakes. Begin with about 1/4 teaspoon and gradually add more, until your hummus reaches the perfect level of fiery deliciousness. For a different kind of heat, consider incorporating spicy oils or your favorite hot sauces. A drizzle of chili oil, perhaps infused with red pepper flakes, offers a consistent warmth throughout your hummus. You can easily make your own by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil with a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Alternatively, a few dashes of a robust hot sauce can provide an instant, tangy kick. Remember to start with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 teaspoon, and gradually add more until you achieve your perfect level of spice. Beyond fresh and dried peppers, ground spices can significantly elevate your spicy hummus. Smoked paprika or chipotle powder not only add heat, but also impart wonderful smoky, earthy undertones. Try adding 1/2 teaspoon of either for a rich flavor. For an even deeper profile, consider blending in a clove or 2 of roasted garlic or a tablespoon of harissa paste. The key is to taste as you go, ensuring you strike the perfect balance between the heat and the other delicious flavors in your homemade hummus.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.